All right, guys. Victor Isibor once again. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? I'm back on the review. If it's your first time, we do reviews of make money online and offline opportunities like this. Make sure to smash the like button, and I hope you subscribe before the end of the video. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. This review is going to be brief. Today we're reviewing incomeclub.club. All right. So someone reached out and asked me to look at it. And the first thing I did was, let us look at the raw whois data. And what you can see here is that this platform website was registered on the 5th of October 2022. All right. The registrar is Namecheap. Okay, so they paid peanuts to register this website last year. And from reliable information, the person behind this project is Simon Sanchez. Simon Sanchez. I cannot find any digital footprints to Simon Sanchez. I couldn't find her anywhere. If you have any links to how we can find this person, let me know. I'm suspecting it's a fake name. It's just a suspicion though, but I couldn't find anything on her. If you watch this video, I'm saving you. The purpose of a review is to save you time. I do all the hard work and you don't have to do it. This video is not going to tell you anything about incomeclub.club. It's just a total waste of time. They talk about artificial intelligence, beat about the bush so much, and you don't get any information. All right. So this is just a straight script kind of website saying that your risk is zero. Counterpunch. I do not know any business that is totally risk free. So I take this as just a marketing talk to get you attracted into the platform. All right. So this is not true. Anything that has the potential of giving you money has associated risk in it. All right. So they said income in 3 steps. Yeah. They said that you generate your codes in one click using the Income Club app. Step 2, they said you copy the code into the payment application 100% integrated with Income Club. Step 3, you receive your payments in your account, and that's it. All right. Now look at the frequently asked questions. Say, what is Income Club? Look at what they gave as answer. They said, unfortunately, it is not possible to explain what the Income Club is. You have to see it for yourself. Watch the video at the top of the page. This is the only way you can understand how it works. Like I told you earlier, the video is a total waste of time. The video is going to leave you more confused than you were before you started watching it. And now, frequently asked questions where we're supposed to find answers, they are referring us to a meaningless video. All right. So, for me, these guys, they are not explanatory enough on this website. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video when I give my opinion about this particular website. All right. Now, at the end of the page, they put a disclaimer. They said there are no guarantees in the equity market. You see, now I have an idea what they are doing because the video didn't talk to me. Frequently asked questions, don't answer any questions. But in their disclaimer, they said there are no guarantees. Result may vary from person to person in the equity market. All right. So when you click on this button, say, I want to join the club, will be redirected somewhere. So when I clicked on that, join the club, you see that they're asking me to pay in Naira. I think that they automatically, sensed my location, and the payment is, they're asking for is 11,072 Naira. All right. And you're supposed to put your card details here, phone number, account holder, and all that. All right. So when I click on change country, let me put the United States of America so that I can see what this is in dollars. You see, they're asking for $14. All right. I believe they have a compensation plan, but we cannot see that right now. Let us go to go back to their main page while I counterpunch. Now, here is my counterpunch. First of all, this platform is very shady. They are hiding too many things. All right. First red flag for me was spending my time watching this entire video. If you go to their website, you can watch the video too. If I am wrong, put it in the comment section below. This video beats about the bush. You know, just talk without saying anything. All right. Then again, when you now come to their frequently asked questions where people should get clarity about what you do, look at what they wrote. I've never seen this kind of thing on a frequently asked questions before. What is the income club? A very simple question. You're telling me, unfortunately, it's not possible for you to explain what you do. If you can't explain what you do, how am I supposed to explain it to prospects that I want to bring in? All right? It's not making sense to me. All right? Then when you scroll to the bottom of the page, any normal standard website should, provide for you a way to contact them at the bottom of the page. Any standard website, you see, contact us, how you can reach them in case you have any issues, is what they put at the bottom of the page. And apart from that, another thing that they put there is links to the owner, privacy policy, terms of use. These things are supposed to be here. There has to be terms of use, privacy policies. That's what is always at the bottom of the page, not some freaking disclaimer. And that's it. Bye-bye. You just get away. So the website is too basic. Too basic. And they said that they are going to send you some codes. And when they send you the codes, you take the codes and you make money. I didn't see anything like a broker. All right. But, from information reaching me, I heard that they use pocket option. So I'm sensing a connivance between them and the broker, because what is the genuineness of the codes that they send? And are those codes real representation of what happens in the markets? Because I have seen projects that generate codes, so-called trading codes, and those codes are not tradable on any other platform. So to test the genuinity of this particular project, whatever codes they give you here, take it to an independent equity market trading application and trade it there. If you get positive results, then we can now verify the veracity of those codes. Otherwise, it's just everything is just in-house and it cannot be trusted. Okay, so I took some time to go to Trustpilot to see what the rating is like. All right, so you see a rating of 5-star, 50% gave it a 5-star. 2-star, 33%, 1-star, 17%. So 50 people think it's good. 50% think it's good. 50% thinks it's bad. Okay, total of 6 reviews. That means 3 good reviews, 3 bad reviews for this particular platform. Okay, so let's look at what Scam Advisor has to say about incomeclub.club. It has a very low rating, very critically low rating, 1/100. Scam Advisor takes into cognizance feedbacks, from across the internet. The internet statistics, it takes into cognizance all of that. Then it makes its own conclusions. The negative things, the positive things, puts all that. And when you go to the detailed analysis, you'll see why they said what they said. Now, let me give you my final counterpunch about this website real quick. First of all, guys, I don't trust these guys because they say that they cannot explain what they're doing. Then they put up a video that wastes your time and doesn't tell you what they're doing. As usual with Ponzinomics, when there is no clarity about what is going on, that is how you're going to feel like by the time you've lost money. Everything is shady. The compensation plan is not even here. There's no transparency, no identity of those running this platform, no address given. The website, go to the bottom of any website as you're watching this video. You must see privacy terms. You must see terms of use at the bottom. You must see contact us, a way to reach them. None. If you put any money into this project, that means you can put money anywhere. You might as well send me the money and use it to buy me stuff instead of putting your money in the middle of nowhere. Like, come on. If you're going to lose money, at least lose money honorably. If you were to lose money to this website and you bring me here and you tell me you lost your money here, I'm going to look at you like a joke. No terms of service, no privacy terms, no contact us, no physical or online address, no phone number, no email, no picture of who's running it. The person they claim is running it has no digital footprints. You cannot trace them. They're giving you codes to trade in the equity market. The broker was not mentioned. The veracity of the codes cannot be established. Can the codes be taken to an independent equity market trader and you put it there and it works? Are the codes true? Or this is just a random lotto gambling website where some people, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. The final decision is in the hands of the secretive owners of this platform hiding behind a computer screen somewhere? I don't trust this. And when you come and you say your risk is zero, I do not understand. Even keeping your money in the bank is not zero risk. So, how can you say everything is reward with zero risk? All right, I don't trust them. These are marketing videos, from paid actors to praise this platform to you. This one say income club scam. They're suspecting themselves already without us even, making any allegations. I don't trust this website. Interact with this website at your own risk. If you're looking for something legitimate and transparent, look in the description of this video. Register, shoot me a message via the WhatsApp link. That's all from me. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Victor Isibor. I'm out. Bye.